the steep hills, how to go down, and live to talk about it. Well, let's see. Let's start with a straight down approach. You just put your elbows on your knees, skates shoulder apart, and just go for it. That's my favorite way to go down a hill. The positives are that it's fast, it's easy, and you can see in front. And you don't wear wheels, but you can't bail. You have too much speed, and also you need a long road. Next way to go down a hill is just on the grass. Just put all of your weight on your heels and push your skates down to the grass with one foot in front of the other. It's very safe and it doesn't wear the wheels and it's satisfying. But also, if there's no grass, you can't use that method. Stepping plow is the next one. So you can't let the speed get too high already at the start. So you step in front as much as you can and stop the speed. You can use one or both feet. The stepping plow is easy for beginners and it doesn't wear the wheels at all. But it's extremely slow and it's not the coolest way to go down. Now the regular plow. Push your feet as wide as possible, hips back and shoulders in front, and push with all your might, with toes facing a little bit inwards. It's quite easy, safe, and have good visibility, but you need a wide road to make it happen, and it wears the wheels a lot. It's not the most effective way. Now the most popular, dragging your feet behind. You can find a tutorial in my channel, I will link it. And also, when going downhill, it's recommended to use both feet, because it's more stable. This is the most effective way to go downhill. You can do it on every surface, and you can control your speed going down, but it wears the wheels hard. And it's a little bit difficult. Now the slalom style. Use the road, and when you turn left, with your left foot in front, turning right, the right foot in front. And when the speed goes too high, just turn up the hill a little bit, so you can control the speed. It's my second favorite way to go downhill. So you can control the speed, it doesn't wear the wheels too much, and you can stop mid-hill, but it's quite hard to do and you need a wide road. You can also soul slide down a hill, and tutorial for this is also on my channel. I will link it also. It looks pretty cool. For some reason, it's more effective than the regular plow, and you can see in front. But you need a good surface to do it, and it wears the wheels, and it's quite hard. Now the last one, power slide down a hill. If you don't know how to power slide, again, I will link the tutorial. It's quite interesting to go down a hill like this. Actually, this method is really effective. You can basically stop mid-hill, but you can't see much and it's quite hard to perform. And oh, the wheels. The poor wheels. If I missed something, please let me know and I'll try it. Now, live dangerously and keep rolling.